Okay, guys, let's solve another integral of a partial fraction, integration of partial fraction. All right. So we have this question before us. How do we integrate this? So as I did in my previous video, we will take this expression inside and bring it out and express it as a partial fraction. All right. So let's start. We have 3x squared plus 18x plus 3 over 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Now, I hope you remember your long division method, division of polynomials. Now, why do we need to divide? Because the order of the numerator is the same as the order of the denominator. Because the order of the denominator must be higher. So here, they must not be equal. So here they are equal. So we need to use long division method to divide it first. All right. So this is 3x squared plus 18x plus 3 divided by 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. So let's use long division method to divide it. So this gives 3x squared plus 18x plus 3 divided by 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So let's start our division. So take the first one, 3x squared divided by 3x squared. Please, your knowledge of partial fraction, long division method of polynomials is needed here, please. So, and if you are not clear with long division of polynomials, please let me know in my comment section so I can do a class on that too as well. So let's start. So 3x squared divided by 3x squared, 1. So 1 times 3x squared, 3x squared. 1 times 5x, 5x, and 1 times minus 2, minus 2. All right, you use minus here. So as this will eliminate this will turn to minus, and this will turn to plus, because this minus will multiply all the signs. So minus times plus, minus, minus times minus, plus. So this will go to 0. So 18x minus 5x, that's 13x, then plus 5. Now, the order of x here is now less than x squared. So you now write it again as this guy here is the same as what? 1, this one that we have here as quotient, plus the remainder, which is 13x plus 5 over the denominator now. Denominator 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. All right. So this is what we have, but we need to expand this further into partial fraction. You understand? So we are done with this one, but we need to expand this one further. So now this particular one here, this one gives, we'll write it in form of partial fraction, which is a over, well, first of all, let us first factorize this. So we have 13x plus 5 over, so if you factorize this will give us 6. All right, this is 6x squared minus 6x squared. So we have minus 3. All right, so if we factorize this expression, we have minus 2 times 3x is minus 6. So what are the factors that we need? So we need plus 6 and minus 1. So this is 3x squared plus 6x minus x, all right, minus 2. So if we factorize this, we're going to have 13x plus 5 over, so what's common here? 3x is common, then x plus 2, open bracket, another what's common, minus is common, minus 1, then x plus 2. So we can now, this can now be written as 13x plus 5 over 3x minus 1 and x plus 2. All right, so finally 13x plus 5 over 3x minus 1 x plus 2 is written as a over 3x minus 1 plus b over x plus 2. All right, so in order to get our a for a, we put the denominator to be equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So 3x equals to 1, x equals to 1 over 3. All right, so we have 13x plus 5 equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into 3x minus 1. So we substitute this value of x into each of these where we see x. So we have 13 into 1 over 3 plus 5 equals to a into 1 over 3 plus 2 plus b into 3 to 1 over 3 minus 1. So we have, this is 13 over 3 plus 5 equals to a plus 1 over 3 plus 2. That's 7 over 2. All right. 7 over 2 plus, this will give you 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this one will go to 0. All right. So 0. So we have, so 13 over 3 plus 5. We have 13 plus 15, which is a. 7 over 2 a. So this is 28 over 3 equals to 7 over 2a. So if we do change our subject formula, if we use a as subject formula, our a equals to 28 over 3 times 2 over 7. All right, so this is 7 here, seven here 1, 7 here 4. All right. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake here. This is over 3, not 2. Sorry. This is 3. This is 3. And this is 3. All right. So 3 will cancel 3. So 4. So a is 4. All right. Now to get b, we'll put its denominator to be 0. So x plus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 2. So we write out our expression. So that's 13 into 2 plus 5 equals to a into minus 2. Yeah, minus 2 plus 2 plus b into 3 times minus 2 minus 1. So we have 13 times minus 2 is minus 26. Minus 26 plus 5 is minus 21. Equals to, this will go to 0, isn't it? To knock out each other. So this will be b. This is minus 6 minus 1. So this is minus 7. All right. So from here, so minus will knock out minus. So b will be 21 over 7. So that's, we have 3. So finally, we have our partial. So our a is 4, b is 3. So we're going to try and finish up the partial fraction. Don't forget, let me write out the original one. So my a is 4 and my b is 3. And don't forget that the integration of 3x squared plus 18x plus 3 over 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 dx. Now I resolve this into partial fraction. So I have this 1, don't forget 1 plus 13x plus 5 over 3x squared plus 18 plus 5x. This is 5x minus 2 dx. So after I resolve this as my partial fraction, all right, after I resolve this, that's when I got this. So finally, this will now be integration of 1 plus a, which is 4, over, please don't forget this, we got our a to be 4 here as this. So 4 over 3x minus 1 and plus b over x plus 2. All right, I hope you are seeing everything. X plus 2, sorry, b is 3, over x plus 2 and dx. Now we can now integrate now, so which is very easy. So it's so you can do it your preference. So you can say this is a 1 dx plus 4 3x minus 1 then dx. Let's do it simplified 3x plus 2 dx. So what is the integration of 1 with respect to x? So the integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus, what about the integration of this? Don't forget this 4 will come outside, 4. Then we have in 3x minus 1, all right, over coefficient of x, which is 3. If you differentiate that, you saw it in my previous video. So we have this one as well. This is 3 into bracket ln in x plus 2, all right, over over 1. So it's 1, sorry. So this one doesn't matter, so it's just 1. Then plus c. So finally you can write it as x plus 4 in ln 3x minus 1 over 3 plus 3 ln x plus 2 plus c. So that's a fine answer. Thank you very much. Please watch my videos, like and share, and I want you to comment. Thank you very much.